Hello, my Ram Shadi is the next level part of the language bar. So here basically Google group basically is nowadays handled by American government. So here and American government is connected with the few rich people basically. Whatever things are in front basically, that are just to display purpose basically. But real basically some other groups are handling basically. So whatever you saw in this television that Trump basically is meeting this person, that person, this person, that person. Google group is connected with this group, that group. So that all are just in front basically. So that in future basically any person basically gets problem from America. So he is going to do war with which group basically. Whatever things basically are displayed by the media group basically. But in real basically who are handling this everything? This example basically I had taken that 1,000 families basically are there, and I am 100% sure basically these 1,000 families are not a king family, because this king family basically are created by some group basically, so that in future basically anything happens, so this king family basically will handle everything, and this king family have full control in the world basically. They can finish the entire country also, that much power basically they have given basically. So here one person told that to secure this, because 1,000 planet equal to 1,000 family basically, they have universe power basically. Universe power, that means you can finish the entire world also, sorry, not world basically, entire country also basically. So here one person told that in India basically which king families basically are there. So few people say that Tipu Sultan family is there, Maurya family is there, Gaikwad families basically are there, then the Sri Ram family basically are there. Sri Ram is Sri Hanuman god is there. Ravan is also basically one of the family basically. He also have basically lots of income basically. His family also basically exists somewhere in India basically, in Chennai somewhere basically, and they are basically have good connection in Google also basically. So one of the person told that like this basically, if Ravan basically exists in front of you basically, then what will happen? Just taking rough example basically. So one of the person told that suddenly basically the Ramayana, Ram and Ravan basically energy will get activated. So here one person told that. So next video see.